that being said, I'm completely insanely crazy in love with you. And I would like to know if you would be my wife.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Uh-huh. I'm serious.
Of course. Are you kidding me?
Awesome.
Oh my god.
Ah.
Stop putting my name.
Wow. I'm trying.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Awesome.
Are you serious?
Uh-huh.
You're kidding me.
Don't act like you didn't kind of know.
Oh my god. Guys buying shoes.
I was too busy buying shoes.
White gold shoes.
So let's hear it. Come on.
Yeah!